We have long shower call.
Naman.
We eat good food.
Hmm.
That's your with me. See you next week, adults.
Pero ang boring kaya. Siguro ang adults. Hindi pa natin nakita si Kuya D. Tapos may lalabas ulit next week.
How do you wanna think about that?
Kala ko si ate ko. Hindi pala. Ano yung ginagawa ni Kuya D ngayon?
Maybe he's watching us live. Love you, D.
Nag-Kuya D. Live ba tayo nung gabi? Hindi kaya 7 hanggang 11 a.m. na.
Hanggang 12 a.m.
Sabi?
7 a.m.
Pero may audio, walang audio.
Meron.
Meron din.
My audio.
Sabi sa akin 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. na.
7 a.m. to 12 midnight. May audio rin yun.
Hindi, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. lang ang live.
No?
Paano mo nalaman?
Nakita ko. Remember, ay, you weren't there. But we were doing live selling.
Oh.
And yung mga prompts,
Oh.
sabi, Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11, streaming exclusively on Laz Live from 7 a.m. to 12 midnight.
Aba, ayos. Every day,
Every day. Streaming
Ba,
every
siyempre.
day, exclusively on Laz Live.
malupit pala. Hindi ko alam kala ko 11 lang to 7. 7 to 11.
I wanna know if we won the Lazada Live, the Laz Live.
Ano bang tayo nanalo doon? 1,000 chicken doon.
Oh yeah, where's our prize? We deserve it.
Bigyan na ko yung ano, yung sa bowl ng, ng lechon.
Ayos.
Tapos pag magkakain tayo, lalabas natin. Pagkas na